That's per fish.
I know.
Then you're gonna be like pay two times. Oh my god. Eroded by the.
Those are like.
It's weird peak. Look at how sharp that.
Those are like rock mountains.
Damn, man.
So you guys got mountains up in Maryland?
Yeah, it's all like.
Hey, Jose, say something for the camera.
No hablo español.
Where are you right now?
Los Cabos, Mexico.
Los Cabos, Mexico. Beer.
Hell yeah.
Well, I'm just saying.
Go into a turtleneck.
Look, sometimes you have accident. Like
Oh, you saw that glass?
Yeah, look at all the glasses.
Yeah, because before it's like everything was like sparse. It's like spread out. I'm like, oh.
Little sign of life.
Yeah.
Room 26, Playa del Sol. Got the ocean view. I got Jose's back ahead.
Oh man.
Well, I got a lot.
Look at
I feel like that's castable, maybe from the dock.
Where we get on. Yeah. Gotta be it.
How do you pronounce that? Is it called?
Am I on or no? I'm on too, right? Yeah.
I don't think it's that big.
Yeah, mine's not that big. It wasn't that big too, but still, they're on.
Oh, it's really big. Double up. Yeah, mine doesn't feel that big either.
It's not the same feet.
Hopefully not.
Not tangled.
Launch the rooster right here. Oh my god, do you see the color?
It's a big rooster.
I know, one Terry?
Dude! Oh, he's got six. There's one following. There's one following.
What's up?
Oh, wait a moment. Wait.
Give it in the body for a minute.
Yeah, I think I'm ready to pull him in.
Not yet.
I'm not ready for another run.
They bite you.
It's biting. Okay.
Are you on again?
No, not yet.
I was about to say, I'm like, what? How come
Yeah, Terry?
Oh man, I'm tired, dude. Oh my word.
You okay? Oh, you okay? I saw you.
I'm down. You're out. We're good.
What do you have a bite, Jose?
Yeah, Jose.
I trust my store.
You bring the bait to close. You bring it, you're wrong.
I can't change.
Where is that? Don't keep it.
Yeah. Rooster's coming. Get on him, Jose.
I'm waiting.
I'm getting a bite too. I was getting a bite.
Watch out.
The fact that they swim down, we're not going to get them. We're good.
something going on there.
They're striking right there.
Yeah, I think it looks like Marlins or something.
Oh, DJ.
Yeah. I think we had surface lures there.
I saw that.
That looks pretty good. Oh, yeah, baby. That's still huge though.
Hey, the captain knows.
Yeah, he knows. You got your camera?
It's not fighting like DK.
It's a small one.
Come on.
African pop. AP. AP, baby. Oh no, it's a jack. Don't like you, Jack. Yeah, never mind.
Yeah, we're good. Thought he was pumping him.
Yeah, it would have been nice.
Yeah, he's coming in easy. He ain't gonna outmuscle me, baby. If he ain't that big.
You're on camera. No, it looks pretty big.
You never know how big it's going to be. It just keeps going.
Real dry.
You need the hot sauce.
Oh, small one.
He's a jack.
Oh, he's a jack.
Ah, disappointing.
No bueno.
No bueno. Damn.
Get a picture at least. It's a jack.
I'm not gonna get a picture of a jack. Come on.
Yeah, that's picture worthy.
Alright.
It's a, no, it doesn't look edible. No bueno.
No. You want it? You can keep it, but we don't want it. You guys want it? It's not good eating?
No, it's like bonita. Oh, I'm on.
Okay.
I'm on.
Jack?
I'm on.
There he's on once again.
Oh yeah, this is a fighter. Oh. This feels like a rooster, man. Oh, no, this is not as big though, because I can fight this one.
Oh, Jerry got him in quick if he got that low.
Yeah, exactly.
Get out of the way.
Yeah. Steamboat.
Well, I thought you said you want that big time. Struggling there. Look like you're struggling a little. Oh, look at this.
No, but I got the leader already. Jack.
Toro.
Toro?
Toro.
Jack. No bueno.
Another jack.
Yep.
Get on board with the jacks.
I would take a picture with that. I'm
No, not me.
I'd gladly.
Not Jack.
Nah, no jack picks unless it's like a 40-pound.
Yeah, sardine.
Those are sardines?
Yeah, sardine, regular sardine there. Sardine, short sardine.
Maybe another one of those, whatever.
No, it's a lady.
Needlefish.
Needlefish. Is it bait? No bait? Not good.
I was like, this is weird. I was like, man, it's like, lost it.
It's on, right?
Snapback?
Throw back.
Silver King, baby. You got the shirt to match.
I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit more. Alright, I use you now.
There he is. Oh, he's not bad. He's not bad. Don't. God damn.
Hey, I got it. I got it.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias, El Capitan Nestor.
Hey, tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Photo back, okay?